BMO Eclipse Visa Infinite Privilege Card, my honest review and user experience. Premium credit cards promise luxury, rewards and perks, but are they worth the high annual fee? I tested the BMO Eclipse Visa Infinite Privilege Card for a year, and here's my honest take. Most people think premium cards are all about travel points, but the surprising truth is how much everyday spending can earn you. The BMO Eclipse Privilege Card offers X points on dining, groceries, gas, and transit categories most people use daily. I found myself earning points faster than I expected. One standout feature is the annual lifestyle credit. You can use it for anything dining, travel, even subscriptions. That alone helps offset the annual fee. The card also comes with airport lounge access, mobile device insurance up to $0, and emergency travel coverage. When I used it abroad, exchange rates were competitive and the card was accepted almost everywhere. Another perk is the 25% points boost if you add an authorized user, making it ideal for families or couples. Now, the downside, it requires a minimum income of 0 household, and rewards redemptions are slightly better for travel than for cashback. So it's designed for frequent spenders who want premium benefits, not casual users. Overall, the BMO Eclipse Visa Infinite Privilege Card delivers strong rewards, valuable credits, and elite perks that justify its price if you can maximize the benefits. For high spenders or frequent travelers, it's one of Canada's most rewarding premium cards.